Wash day is a beautiful self-care ritual. Bring intention to every step and enjoy connecting with your hair. Today I'm going to be styling on Anea's hair. She has tight curls, maximum density. The first thing I do is I kind of stand there and I just kind of close my eyes a little bit, or just not focus on looking at the hair, but just touching the hair. I just want to see what the surface texture feels like. I might look for any areas that might be extra dry or might feel a little bit damaged, and then I'll go in and pinpoint those with my eyes. I want to get a sense of how the texture feels first. We'll start this process at the wash bowl. Start by wetting the hair thoroughly from the roots to the ends. It's very important to start deep saturation because water is hydration and the catalyst for all Innersense organic beauty products. If you do not have enough water, you may have a challenge achieving your curl goals. During the saturation step, use your finger pads to start releasing the oils and build up on the scalp while also pushing water into the hair. Start with emulsifying, hydrating cream hair bath in your hands. Once you see suds develop, apply the product to the scalp. Start at the scalp and work on spreading the hair bath throughout the scalp. At times you may not experience suds. This may result from a prolonged wash day or buildup. You can always do a pre-cleanse using Harmonic Healing Oil, Detox Hair Mask, True Enlightenment Scalp Scrub, or a double cleanse. This will create a deeper cleansing experience. When cleansing curly hair, don't be afraid to really get in there. Be sure to make contact with the scalp and really manipulate the hair. Our hair baths are very gentle, and cleansing is necessary to slightly lift the strand's cuticles. This allows water to enter and hydrate the hair. If you feel buildup on the ends, bring the hair bath down throughout all strands until you feel the buildup release. Now we are going in with a hydrating cream conditioner. Again, start with emulsifying it in the hands, then begin applying at the ends and massage it in. The amount of product you need is determined by the texture you're working with. If the hair wants more product, sprinkle some water on there to ensure you're not applying too much before moving forward with more. Always address the current state of the hair at that moment. The conditioning process is my favorite part. I enjoy nourishing the hair by continuously massaging the conditioner into the hair. This begins to build your intuition with your curls and helps to really fill up the curls with moisture. Now that the hair is thoroughly saturated with water and conditioner, we're going to detangle. You can use your fingers or a proper detangling brush. Be gentle by starting with the ends, then working your way up. The goal is to understand what your clean hair truly feels like. When we are aware of that, we can give the hair what it needs. While detangling, I'm still incorporating water. This creates slip to assist in tangles releasing. To rinse, I'm going to lightly rinse all the conditioner out of her hair with low water pressure. I don't want to leave all the conditioner in her hair because I don't want to create a barrier between the hair and our styling products. Typically, I style the hair with it still in the bowl. I can clip up the hair to the sides and apply the product at each layer. But today we are going to move to the salon chair in order to clearly show each step. With styling curly hair, the goal is to keep the hair soaking wet. Since I'm not styling at the bowl, I'm going to have a water bottle with me that I'll use throughout the process. For a wash and go style with definition and longevity, I'm starting with I Create Volume. Apply this aloe-based lotion first, creates an amazing slip. It also incorporates honey as a humectant. I then use that slippery texture to create definition and separation in curls before locking it in. To smooth and define curls, I'll be using Quiet Calm Curl Control to start with. Emulsify the product on your hands first, then apply the Quiet Calm Curl Control. I really massage products into the hair constantly, feeling for saturation and slip. To lock in moisture and create lasting results, I use I Create Hold. I Create Hold is aloe and honey based. These humectants create the perfect balance of hydration and hold. Move on to your next section and repeat the same steps. Take care to make sure the water and the products melt together. Feel for the presence of water and product. You should feel a beautiful slip happening and notice hydrated curl definition. With each section, I'm adding more water, emulsifying each product, and massaging the products until they melt and create slip. This combination will give you a beautiful definition and consistent results. A hooded dryer is ideal for even results. Do not touch the curls while drying. Once the curls are completely dry, you can leave it in as is or let the curls grow and open on their own day after day. Or you can use harmonic healing oil to gently break the curl cast or massage the roots to encourage volume. I usually leave this option up to my guest. I love working with curls, and I hope I was able to help you find the confidence to begin your journey with curls or to incorporate Inner Sense organic beauty into your curl routine or behind the chair.